Yang is a successful person in his 50s. He goes out to eat and drink with his clients almost every day, so his physical condition is not as good as before these years. And some small problems gradually appear. He began to take the medicine. When his wife was at home, she would prepare the medicine and remind him to take it every day. But his wife was not home every day and could not remember it every day. So I will design one that can remind Yang to take medicine every day and tell him what medicine to take that day. At present, people only rely on memory, mobile phone, alarm clock, and medicine box to take medicine, but this is not the safest way. The disadvantage of mobile alarm clock is that users don't know what medicine to take on that day. The alarm clock has sound and flashing lights, which is a very good method, but it still has defects. The medicine box is also a very good product, but it has low light and sound promote. Users will forget to take the medicine. I will add sound and light promotes to the medicine box to remind Yang to take medicine every day. In the whole process, the things that need to be considered are roughly divided into the materials needed, how to connect each part, how to make each part start to work after the connection is successful, and how to correct the errors step by step until the final operation is successful. The main point of this design is to add sound and light to the medicine box, so the foundation of the project is a medicine box. Through Arduino, the medicine box is connected with the light and sound. It needs a LED light bulb and buzzer. There are also some details of the components, such as wiring, resistor, and LCD display, and so on. Design. We need to search a lot of information and research on the internet to cooperate with the actual operation. It is easy to make mistakes in the location and the correctness of the cable installation. In the process of doing, we will find that the parts are not enough, so we still need to buy parts on the internet. When all the parts are connected together, it still doesn't work, so I checked all the resistance and the wires connected to the Arduino motherboard for errors, and replaced the bulbs and some needed parts. We can start to study how to make Arduino work when we ensure that all the parts are installed successfully and there are no mistakes. I have learned how to use lights in class. How to make sound also needs to search and learn. In the process of actual operation, it is always a problem to let the bulb emit lights, which needs to be operated according to each step. When I make sure that all the displays are correct, the light is still not on, so I repeated the operation for many times, and finally found that the problem lies in the selection model. The selection model displays what I want to select, because it needs to be reselected, and it can work normally after reselecting. All the parts are connected correctly, and the light is normal. I import my voice into the software and send it out in the medicine box. There are many problems and difficulties in the process of applying the learned skills to practical operation, but if they are solved gradually, there will be a sense of achievement. And next is the basic function. There are 21 squares in the kit, which correspond to the medicine 3 times a day, 7 days a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday are red lights, and the rest are green lights. The sound of the promote is about 15 seconds. Next, I will show the effect and the general layout of the parts.
It's time to take the medicine. 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 It's time to take the medicine.